Hello, dear friend. Welcome to our factory. This is our foundation-free tap concrete batting plant, 180 cubic meter power. GS 3000 Sigma concrete mixer. Discharging height is 4 meter. Water tank is assembled under the plant, and the control room assembled beside the water tank. For saving floor space, the additive tank is assembled also. Two petrol liters beside the incline belt for the normal petrol. This batting machine has 4 aggregator storage bins, separator wing hopper. If you want to get more information about the concrete batting plant, please contact us freely.